Well, it's going to be a warm and humid night across the valley coming up later tonight as temperatures fall from the 90s and lower 100s now down into the 70s late tonight. But we will have to deal with some gusty winds between now and then, so kind of watch things around. There's still a wind advisory in effect for parts of the valley tonight, so a wind advisory remains in effect for Cameron and Woolsey counties. We'll show you right now the wind advisory in effect for some areas you can see in the lower valley. Woolsey and Cameron counties until 6 p.m. wind advisory goes. Winds may gust about 40 miles per hour, so watch that across the valley. The winds will likely not die off totally tonight, so get ready for what should be a breezy start to the weekend around here. 100 degrees possible in many areas tomorrow with a good chance to hit about 105 in the upper valley. So cold front will come in on Sunday to finally cool things off. With that cold front, small chances of a shower by the morning hours. So here's what we go with temperatures. It is hot, hot, hot. 108 in Rio Grande City, 101 in McAllen, 100 in Edinburgh, mostly in the 90s in the lower valley, 97 in Harlingen, and 96 in Brownsville. So it's hot. It's windy too. Winds are gustiest in the lower valley where the wind advisory is in effect for Cameron and Woolsey counties. 30-mile-per-hour gust, well, about a 40-mile-per-hour gust right now. The wind just blew my voice away. 30, the sustained wind speed in Harlingen and Raymondville. Now the winds you see on Future Track staying kind of windy into the early evening hours, but probably won't die off everywhere tonight. By tomorrow, we're looking for the winds to, depending on where you are, be kind of gusty in the lower valley near the coast, but the winds may die off in the upper valley. And if that happens, you see the winds also may switch in the upper valley during the day to more of the west or northwest direction. And again, if that happens, that's when the heat really comes back into the upper valley. Very reminiscent of what we had back on Wednesday. Remember that day? It was like above 100 nearly everywhere. That could happen tomorrow. And then the breezes come back later Saturday night, but then turn to the north when the cold front comes through on Sunday. So here's the way it looks on Future Track. We have breezy conditions around, especially at the coast where it will be gustiest this evening and tonight. Clouds could come in late tonight. Saturday, if you're up early, 6 o'clock early. That's early for a Saturday, but if you're up early, maybe some patchy clouds, but the sunshine should quickly come through, and then it gets very hot tomorrow. This could be, again, maybe the hottest day of the week in some areas, even just about as hot or slightly hotter in some areas than we saw back on Wednesday. So a very hot day, stays breezy at the coast. The winds may come in from the west in the afternoon in the upper valley, but there is hope. There is hope. Hallelujah. There is hope for the weekend. Cold front is coming by Sunday morning. There is a small chance you might catch a quick little shower with the front near the coast, but the moisture looks very limited. So once a cold front passes around sunrise on Sunday, then it gets breezy, cooler and less humid. Sunshine comes out, and temperatures may only stay in the 80s most of Sunday coming up. So that's a nice little change. But if you look at Future Track tomorrow, check out Future Track by midday, already showing temperatures above 90 by 11 a.m. Look at all that. Those are some big numbers for a Saturday afternoon across the valley with temperatures up above 100 from about Harlingen and Raymondville westward through the upper valley tomorrow. So that's what the computer model shows. We'll show you the official forecast numbers later on. But your first 1570 forecast does have less heat in it. Tomorrow is like the hottest day. Highs averaging near 103, but that will range from the upper 80s at the coast to about maybe 108 in western Starr County. Sunday, the sunshine comes back with breezy, cooler weather and lower humidity. You may have to watch out for some fire weather conditions on Sunday, especially because the air will be very dry. So don't do any outdoor burning this weekend. Monday looks like a nice day, low humidity, but the heat tries to come back briefly by Wednesday. But another cold front, still another cold front left.
Another one.
Yeah, another
maybe one left.
Yeah, cools it off a little bit more again with maybe a shower or thunderstorm Wednesday night and Thursday.
I'm looking forward to that little front.
Yeah, I mean, you know, they're not big fronts, but, you know, if they can keep it below 99 or 100, that's good.
You know what the